Welcome to the KOREHUB. I'm Dr. Rafaqat Kazmi. This is the Python programming series. Today we will be learning about the different data types in Python. So let's get started. Categories of the data types. Python data types can be divided into three main categories: basic types, container types, and user-defined types. Basic types. First, let's look at the basic types. These include data types you might have encountered in other programming languages, like integer represents the whole numbers, float represents the decimal numbers, complex represents the complex numbers with real and imaginary parts, boolean represents true or false values, string represents the sequences of characters. Container types. Next we have container types, which allow you to store multiple data types in a single structure. Python provides 4 container types: list, an ordered collection of items, similar to lists but immutable; set, an unordered collection of unique items; dictionary, a collection of key value pairs; user-defined types. Finally, there are the user-defined types. These are created using classes and objects, which we will cover in our object-oriented programming lessons. Example of the basic types. Now let's see some examples of the basic types in Python. Integer. Here we should define a number which is equal to 10. This is an integer. The second example is about the float, like pi is equal to 3.14. This is an example of the float. Complex. Complex number is equal to 2 plus 3j. Boolean. Is active is equal to true. This is an example of the boolean. Strings. Name is equal to Python. This is a string. Examples of the container type. Let's move on to the container types with some examples, like list. Fruits is assigned like apple, banana, cherry. This is equivalent to the arrays in C language and other programming languages. Tuple. Coordinates is equal to 10.0, 20.0. Set. Unique numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a set. Dictionary. Person is equal to name, John, age 30, gender male. This is a dictionary. Handling the large numbers. Python can handle very large integers and floating point numbers. Here is an example of how large integers can be handled. Big number is equal to 10 double power 3008. Print big number. This is prints a very large number. To summarize, Python provides a variety of the data types to handle different kinds of data. Understanding these data types is crucial for effective programming. In our next video, we will dive deeper into comments and how to use them in Python. That's it for the today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.